I made sure to turn it around, and just in case you guys did actually get a view of the other side, you ain't gonna see anything. Ah. Hold on, guys. Ha! Little Bluetooth earbud. This one is not quite sure. I think it's going to be another earbud. These are both ordered from Wish. Like a fake AirPod in gold. This one is probably the one that I'm most excited about. This should be the battery case for my phone. I'll kind of let you guys know what I think of all of these things too. Ah, that was weird. It just like flipped over on me. It's a 5,000 milliamp hour battery case. It's a micro USB charger. Essentially, it goes on like I'll show you. I have my phone right here, and it goes on kind of, the back kind of extends up, and then it comes on and looks like this, and it's a battery case, and it charges your phone. So we're going to see how well this one works, because I'm going to be at work tonight, so I'm going to have my phone fully charged and this fully charged, and we're going to see just how long it goes. And then this one I think is just a regular phone case. So it's not a belt clip case like I normally get. Couldn't find one for this phone right now, but it is essentially a case that you put in your pocket, and also it's got a kickstand case, so it's up like this. Should be fun, man. Should be good. We're gonna see what's up. What's up later.